How to find your life's purpose. Top 11.
Have you ever wondered why you are here? Find out now. Top 11 steps. 1. First, you must heal any past traumas. The past can hold you back big time. 2. Get confident in your own skin. Love yourself unconditionally. 3. Look deep within yourself to find your passions. Your life's purpose has to do with something that you're truly passionate about. 4. You must find a way to use your passion to help, guide or inspire others. You are here on Earth to change the world in some way or be inspirational to others. 5. Become the best version of yourself with a self-care routine. Healthy repetitive routines help you stay on track. 6. Visualize how you want your life to be and who you want to become. 7. Actions speak louder than words, and so do vibes. 8. Open your heart. Heart-brain coherence is essential. Just ask pioneer Greg Braden, the master in this technique. 9. Create a plan and execute it accordingly. 10. Be open-minded to new opportunities and take the leap. 11. Take control of your destiny. Be the creator of your story. We all have this miraculous ability.